As we enter the last month of 2024, what's left to talk about? The election's over, markets are at new highs nearly every day, even the Santa Claus rally seems to have started early. Well, have no fear, AI stocks are here. And today I want to discuss my top 10 for 2025, and I want to rank them in various ways to find bullish trading opportunities right now. Hey, Tom here. Thanks for joining me again. And as we enter the holiday season, do me a favor. Best present you can give me is hit the like button below this video and subscribe to the channel. I know you've heard it before, but it really does help. In 2024, AI stocks have performed exceptionally well. There's been advancements in AI and machine learning, to say the least. But what stocks make the top 10? Well, and more importantly, are there any that have bullish patterns going into the new year? And what's the best way to trade them? Well, I'm going to answer all that and more in today's video. Let's get to my top 10 list. So, no fewer stocks move the markets more than the Mag 7. I'm talking about Apple, Amazon, Alphabet, Meta, Microsoft, Nvidia, and let's not forget Tesla, which has been all over the place for the last few years. Well, when these are all up, everybody's on a dopamine high. And when they're all down, we're all pulling our hair out because they moved the entire markets. Well, do you know why they're doing so well this year? Turns out these 7 aren't just magnificent, they're also AI stocks. For instance, Nvidia, known for its GPUs. It's pivotal in AI computing. Alphabet has AI integrated into Google Assistant. Microsoft's got AI partnerships like OpenAI. Amazon uses AI in Alexa, among other things. Apple, deeply integrated in products like Siri. Tesla, we all know it uses AI in autonomous driving. Meta Platforms uses AI in ad targeting and social media. Now, of those 7 stocks, they are part of my top 10. Here's the other 3. Let's start with Salesforce.com. This company incorporates AI through its Einstein platform, which enhances its functionalities with predictive analytics and automation. Adobe is number 2. It utilizes AI in creative and marketing software with products like Sensei for machine learning enhancements. And number 3, which rounds out my top 10, is IBM, famous for its Watson AI platform. It provides various AI solutions for businesses. All right, now we got that out of the way. Which of these top 10 present the best bullish case for the holiday season? Well, I'm going to use 3 different rules-based strategies to show you what's coming up. And they are trend, swing, and seasonal. So let's start with trend. Trends can be easy to spot, but they make good indicators, and these are simple indicators. When it comes to trend, the late, great George Fontenilles used to say, keep it simple. And simple moving averages are as simple as it gets. I like a 1030 bullish cross. That's when a 10-day simple moving average crosses above a 30-day simple moving average. Now, when I apply this rule to all 10 stocks, here's what comes up at the top. Microsoft is our trend winner. In fact, for December, it's our only winner in terms of the 10 crossing above the 30 for the month of December. Now, we expect this trend to move higher in the next few weeks with a better than 3% move in the stock as an expectation. That's 1% a week. Not a bad move for a stock like Microsoft. Next is swing trading. Now, you can look at swing trading a number of different ways. Some folks use Elliott Wave. I like Elliott Wave, but I also like channels. And as a contrarian, we can take a look at channels and lay channels on top of each other. I like short, intermediate, and long-term channels, and I like to look at the long-term trend going up with a bounce in the short and intermediate term trends. Take a look at this chart here. This is Nvidia. This came up to the top of the list when I ran a channel finder scan. As you can see here, that red area shows the long-term trend up. Now, it might be a little bit hard to see, but in the last right-hand side of the chart, we have short and intermediate trend channels that are moving sideways. This has bounced from 150 on the upside down to 130 on the low. We've got a secondary bounce that just happened, which now gives us a bullish opportunity for NVDA. Finally, let's talk seasonal. Now, 'tis the season to own Meta. Fa la 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 la, yeah, you get it. take a look at the seasonal pattern here on the screen. Now, a couple things we could look at here is that first in the bottom right-hand corner of the chart, you'll see the last 10 years if you were to have bought Meta today and held it through January. It shows almost every year with the exception of a couple in double-digit areas. The last 2 years have been phenomenal for this stock. Holding it in December and January have produced some superior results. But if I average all this together, what it looks like is using my money counter, which is my proprietary software, the last 10 years, 90% winners. The power meter is very strong. And the average base case for this stock is going up around 15% between now and through the month of January. There you go. Trend, contrarian, seasonal. Which of these three stocks do you like over the next 1 to 2 months? Post a comment in your favorite AI stock below. As a pattern trader, we can spot plenty of opportunities using rules-based trading, but you gotta do your homework to see if any of these patterns make a good fit in your account. Speaking of which, if you're looking for some racing fuel in your trading account, options on all three of these stocks are relatively cheap when it compares to implied volatility. Now, whether they're cheap in price and whether they're cheap for your pocketbook are up to you. All in all, AI stocks will mostly go through phases like every other industry, but like I said before, I think we're in the early innings of this particular industry, the early innings of the AI phase. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.